All right, y'all. Back at it again with the R1. Couple people asked me about this exhaust system. I got this pipe right here. I got this off of Amazon. I just typed in 2011 R1 mid pipe, and it came with this. I already had the SC Project muffler, so I just slipped that on. Definitely didn't fit. Cross that up, bam. Custom exhaust. That's fucking easy. Doesn't leak. A lot of that shit. I'll give y'all a nice little video. Y'all enjoyed that. Make sure you guys subscribe. All right, I'm gonna make more videos, more bikes to come. Just subscribe to your boy.